Welcome back to Beyond the Doll Room and happy Bonfire Night! And today we have part 3 of the huge doll haul that I've saved up the past couple of months. And today we have another huge box. Literally so much inside here. So many dolls. So grab your drinks and any snacks. Oops. Sit back, relax, and let's begin today's Bonfire Night thrift haul doll video. So I hope everyone's enjoying themselves tonight and remember to stay safe. So the first item, which I've had for probably about 4 or 5 months maybe now, is this doll swing. It's quite large. It's for a porcelain doll, and I do have the porcelain doll, but she's in the loft at the moment, the attic, so I'm just going to focus on the swing because I did buy the set for the swing. I thought it'd be perfect for a doll. It is quite large scale, but it still works. It can be like a double seat swing. So they can be like, woo! I'm not gonna fling her off, don't worry. But it's beautiful, it's white with pink rope. Cindy's headband fell. Nearly scared me. It's got white painted and it's got pink roses on. And then obviously a gold chain. It's really good fun. And it's perfect for like spring, summertime. I am tempted to paint it black, but I won't. Maybe. Let's see what else we got. Okay, next up is a new Bin of Doom victim. So this is a fake Barbie type doll. And her hair's very messy. And look at her body. Look at that poor doll. I don't know if it's ink or what, but it's all over her legs, on her knee, and then on her arms as well. What the heck? Her head's in pretty good condition though. She does have bend and snap knees, which is unusual because she looks like one of those hollow fake dolls, unless this isn't her real body. I'm not sure. But maybe we can fix her up, but she will be going into the Bin of Doom. And then we'll try and fix her up. So I'll pop her over there and then we'll grab our next doll. Speaking of the Bin of Doom, there's another girl here. She's had a frightful haircut. I shouldn't laugh. Oh, she's also got a stain on her face too. And this is a Barbie doll. I'm guessing she's from the 90s by the look of her face. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Both her legs bend and snap. She does have some weird like scaling going on. She's like losing some skin on her legs. What the heck? She has a ring hole, but no ring. But yeah, she's in okay condition. Oh, she's got another mark on that side as well. She needs new hair. Well, I mean, she could rock the pixie cut with the short hair. We'll see. I may not keep her, I don't know. And then we have a Happy Families Mitch. She doesn't have a bump though. I think this is from the other set because her hair is shorter, unless they've cut her hair. And I don't see... Oh, she does have a ring, but she's also missing her bump. and this hand is really wobbly. Her head. I'm just not. When I looked at her face, I just noticed what's going on. You've probably already seen it, but what the heck? Someone's gnawed off her nose, or part of it anyway. What the heck? Poor Mitch. I didn't even realise until I really looked closely. Oh, that's a shame. And then she's missing one of her rings. I don't even know what to do with her. Maybe I can smooth down that part of her nose. I don't know. Suggestions below, please. And then let's grab some more dolls. Let's hope they're okay. Okay, we've got a few. This is... Oh, what are these dolls called? They're called yes no dolls or something. And when you push the button, their heads are meant to move and be like yes or no. But this one isn't working. She has a button. If I can get her dress down. Oh, so she works for yes, but she's not really working for no. So I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe there's a mechanism that's come loose inside. She's in good condition. I've had a few of these. I've got some of the taller ones. She's quite small. But yeah, I probably will keep her. And then we have... This wasn't a lot, and I think it came with the Mitch Barbie. We have a Hula Barber, and she's had a haircut. I mean, I think you can tell, but her haircut's not that bad actually. You could probably boil wash it down and she'd have a short hair, but I feel like I want to reroute her because that's what I got her for originally, to give her a nice reroute. And she's got all her limbs, and she's not too wobbly actually. She's in fairly good condition. Her legs are slightly wobbly, but it's not bad. And she does have earring holes, and her face looks perfect. So I'll see. I do have a Hula Barbie. I'm just looking. She's on the shelf down there, and she has all of her hair. And her hair was matted, but I've managed to fix it up. So I wanted a second one to try and reroute and give her like a different look. So there's her, and then there is, I think she's an action girl. I could be wrong. Dolco Inc. Sorry, I can't even speak. Sorry. Dolco Inc. Made in Hong Kong. But yeah, I've wanted one of these for ages. She's my first action girl. She's so wobbly. She's swinging. Oh, she definitely needs. I just snapped her in half. So I was about to say that she needs restringing, and then she just fell apart on me. So yeah, accidentally killed the action girl. I'm gonna pop her down. Well, both pieces down. Let's see what else we got in the box. So we have this little mini baby. No idea what it is. If you know, then leave a comment below. That little bitty baby. And then... Is this She-Ra or... I don't know. What kind of doll is this? I've seen them about. She's kind of rooted action figure. Got something stuck in her neck, I don't know what it is. Metal Inc. 1986. Taiwan. She's pretty. Don't know what kind of doll she is. If you know, leave a comment below. Let's see. And then we've got, oops, stuck in her hair. We've got a Generation Girl. I can't remember her name, sorry. But we've got her, and I did have her a couple of years ago, but then when I had to sell some of my collection, I regrettably had to let her go, along with the other Generation Girl dolls. But I'm really happy to get her back. I just need to get an outfit for her now. I think I might have a few pieces for her to wear. But I love her pink nail varnish too. Okay, let's pop her down. What else do we have? Okay, I'll grab some dolls at once. Ooh. Sorry, this is a chaotic video today. Then we have a... I can't remember her name, sorry. Is it Sharajuku? Sharajuku? My brain's not working. We have a Shibajuku Girls doll. I think that's how you pronounce it. Her hair is matted. Look at that. Oh my gosh. She has two different colour eyes as well, that's cool. So it's going to be fun trying to detangle all of that nest. And then we have another one of these dolls. These are quite hard to find, and I have another one. Well, she's up here, you might see her right there. And I can't remember the names of these now. Frido, she's a Frido doll. She is one of two now in my collection. She's got longer hair than the one I've got, and her hair's in really nice condition. She's got this pretty little dress on. I don't know if that's handmade or not. She's cute. Let's pop her right there. Let's see what else we got in the box. Okay, we've got that, this, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that. Okay. We have Cindy body parts. Lovely. So we've got a full body, just minus the head. So this needs reattaching. So many dolls that need reattaching. But both the knees bend, they've just got a lot of dirt on them. So hopefully they'll come off. And then speaking of Cindy, we have a miniature Debenhams doll. They're kind of inspired by the Cinders. They have a Cindy look to them. She has shoes on her legs. And her arms are all beat up too. They've got like chunks missing out of her. Keen toys. That's what it says on the back of her. But oh, whoa. Oops, I popped her head on. She has a piece missing from her chin. Like, what the heck? I hope you can see it on camera. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with her. I can put some tights on, cover her legs, and then just get a little tutu, because she's a ballerina, I think, originally. We'll try and fix her. I hope I can. And then we've got another Cinder. I think this is the 90s Cinder. And she is the Sleep Time Cinder. Her hair's a little messed up. I've already got one of these, but I wanted another because I love the pajama set. It's so cute. And it'll look perfect on one of my other dolls. I may body swap her, I'm not sure. She's cute. She has unusual hairstyle. It's like really short up until like half in her back, and then it's long. It's really weird. But she's cute. And then we have a whole bag of clothes. So I'll just quickly show a few. So top, there's a jacket. That's nice. There's like another jacket, a sleeveless jacket. There's like a corset top. There's what is that? I can't even get into it. There's another top. There's some pants. And then some kind of wrap. I don't know what that is. Quite a lot of clothes in there. Pop them down. I'll just shove them all in the box. And then we have some more packages. This is the last item. So there's some more Enchant Dolls. So this girl here, I think is she a fox or a raccoon? I don't know. I like these kind of dolls, and she actually has shoes as well. Oh, they come with little pets. This is the first time actually looking at this. I've not opened it, and I've had it for like 3 months. There's a little pig. I have no idea what that's supposed to be. Looks like a troll to me. And then we've got a skunk. Oh, and we've got... Oh no, there's another one. A koala. We've got a frog. And speaking of frogs, there's a frog inspired doll. And this is the reason I got the whole bag of dolls, because it has a little frog one in. Look at those little hands. That's cute. And then it came with like a load of accessories. I think this is like a table or something. I don't know if that's a leg chair or something. Yeah, it's a little chair. So many different things in here. Yeah, that's the table together. And it's got some little, I think they're nail polish rings. Yeah, that's a cute little set. So I hope you enjoyed today's doll haul video part 3. And leave me a comment down below what your favourite item in today's haul was. I think I've got a few. Maybe the mini Cinder. I loved the Enchant Dolls, especially the frog. Or the vintage. Is it the Fido doll? Frido doll, sorry. I love her. Also check out my Bonfire Night top. It says bonfires. It has a little pumpkin and then it says burning bright at the bottom. I absolutely love it. Yeah, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the haul. And remember to stay spooky. It's still Halloween, by the way. Stay creative. And most importantly, stay true to yourself. And have an amazing bonfire night if you celebrate it. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!